Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. We're so glad that you're here because today we're going to replace some of these old spent flowers that I had planted up in my containers for the fall with some new summer color, and hopefully this will give you some great ideas of what you could do with some of these containers. Now I have a lot of containers here and I'm going to reduce the number of containers that I have in this area in just a moment, and I'm going to replace the larger containers with the new summer color. And I'm going to get to that in just a second. But what I'm taking out are some of the violas that have definitely not liked a lot of the hotter weather because they don't typically do very well. They're a cooler weather flower. And they've done great all season. But now it's time for them to come out. I know it looks like a lot of them are still blooming away right there, but that heat wave that we had a couple weeks ago really zapped everything. So we're going to go ahead and take those out. And then what I'm doing right now in my larger containers, I'm taking out the snapdragons, which I had hoped would last long all through the summer. They didn't. They ended up getting a little bit of a disease and rust, and that kind of took them out the rest of the way. So we're going to take them out and remove some of the dirt, not all of the dirt, because the dirt that's way down on the bottom, there's no roots down there. So it's not essential to replace that. I do like replacing all the dirt whenever possible, but since these were only in there since October and they didn't root all the way down, there's no need to do that. So I'm going to top off the upper portion of these containers once I get everything out of here with some new fresh dirt, and I'm also going to amend the soil with some flower tone from Espoma, and that should last them a pretty long time. And I will continue to fertilize them throughout the season because I have a feeling that what I'm going to plant in there today is going to last for a long time. Oh, and there's our new little Millie right there trying to see what's going on. She's so cute. She is definitely curious and loves to come and say hi. What are you doing, Dad? Oh, there she is. Anyways, so we're going to go ahead and get all these containers planted up, and you're going to watch me put those in there. And I'm also going to showcase what exactly I am planting, and these may last all the way through the season, all the way through till next spring. We'll see what happens. But anyways, we hope you enjoy this video. And again, I'm planting proven winners because they are proven to be winners in the garden. I'm not sponsored by Proven Winners, but I do seek out their flowers whenever possible because they are amazing, guys. Honestly, if you ever have an opportunity to find any, give them a try. And I think that you're really going to be amazed with the quality of these plants.